Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Facebook leads to HubSpot. This integration streamlines your lead capture process, ensuring no valuable prospect is missed. We'll cover the essential steps to link your accounts, allowing new Facebook leads to flow directly into your HubSpot CRM. This saves your team significant time and effort, automating data entry and improving follow-up efficiency. Get ready to optimize your lead management and boost your marketing efforts with this powerful connection. To begin, log into your HubSpot account and head to the Settings menu. Look for Integrations and then select Facebook Lead Ads. You'll be prompted to connect your Facebook account, granting HubSpot the necessary permissions to access your business pages and ad forms. This crucial step establishes the secure link between the two platforms, typically taking just a few moments to complete. Ensure you select the correct ad accounts and pages for seamless data flow. Once connected, the next vital step is mapping your lead data fields. This ensures information like names, emails, and phone numbers from your Facebook forms correctly populate the right fields in HubSpot. You can map standard fields or create custom properties in HubSpot for unique data points. Take your time to accurately align each field. This precision is key for effective segmentation and personalized follow-up strategies. With your leads flowing into HubSpot, it's time to automate. Create workflows to instantly assign new Facebook leads to sales representatives or enroll them in targeted email nurturing sequences. You can also set up internal notifications for your team, ensuring prompt follow-up. Leveraging HubSpot's automation capabilities transforms raw leads into qualified opportunities, significantly boosting your conversion rates and overall marketing return on investment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.